So we're gonna do a review on my new bike here. I got some stickers on it. It's not stock. It's her name is Cherry Red. So we got some nice, lovely stickers on there. New tires, new nozzles, and handlebars and the grips, and the flashlight. I also have a backlight, and I have gas too. As you see here, I have gas. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I am. It's exactly 9:13, I do believe. I said exactly, but I'm not sure if it's I got a bungee cord on there. Oh, I have a backlight. I don't even know if yeah, blinks. And I got a reflector on there. And keys right there. I'll show you how it runs. Kill switch right there. It'll turn off. And then that's a new brake handle. It's a kickstart. It's a Honda. 3 years. It's pretty cool. See you later.